Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Love Art and Sketches. Today I will show you step by step how to draw beautiful goddess eyes with a colorful background. Firstly, start coloring the background. Use rainbow shades like yellow, pink, green, blue, etc. and blend softly to create a smooth effect. Step 2. Draw the moon tika. Now at the center top of the paper, draw a crescent moon shape. Inside it, a small round circle to complete the tika design. Step 3. Outline the eyes. Next, let's draw the eyes. Make two almond shape just below the tika. Draw the upper eyelid thick and curved upward. The lower lid should be thinner, balancing the shape. Start for detailing the eyes and coloring. For eyes, use black color and then extend both eyes with long sharp curve on the outer corner to give a bold divine look. Inside each eyes, draw a round eyeball and fill it with black. Leave a small white dot for shine. And now for moon tika, fill it with red and orange to make it bright and attractive. And now beautiful goddess eyes drawing, it's ready. Hope you like my beautiful goddess eye art video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and let me know about you think of the art. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.